linen closet right here before you get to my beauty room slash filming space, where I keep all of my hair supplies and hair products. So just kind of skimming through really quickly to show you guys. This is how I've organized this whole closet, and I believe I have every single one of my products in here finally and organized. I probably could organize it a little bit better. I do want to get some shelf liners soon so that if something knocks over, it won't fall and knock something else over, things like that. You know. So starting at the top here, I've got this KC by Keracare. I've got their co-wash conditioner, the curling jelly, the leave-in conditioner, and the curling cream. Okay, I'll put that back. I've also got, so I haven't tried that yet, review coming soon. I've also got this Palmer's Natural Fusions collection that I got from the hair show this year. I've got the Micellar Rose Water Cleanser, which is a clarifying shampoo, the Gel Styler, which has rosemary and aloe, and chia seed and argan oil hair mask. So I'm really excited to try those. Next up, we've got Design Essentials with their curl stretching cream at the top here, and their almond and avocado curl stretching cream, and their defining gel. I've also got Taliah Waijid's original brand right to the left here, and then her newer collection, which is the apple and aloe, which I have reviewed and loved, to the right of that. The curly curl cream works really good when I'm trying to put my hair in a ponytail or slick it down. Also works well with wash and goes. So I got 2 of those, which I got those on sale at this beauty supply store. They had 50% off of every single hair product. So you know I had to grab everything I could. That's where I got the Design Essentials and the Taliah Waijid curly curl creams. Next up is the Texture ID, which is found at Sally Beauty. So I have their conditioner, their curling cream, the deep treatment mask, which is the pink, and also the spray leave-in conditioner, which is one of the only spray leave-in conditioners that I thoroughly enjoy. So the second shelf, I have not tried this brand yet. It's the African Pride Moisture Miracle. They have different things in them, like some have honey. Oh, this has chocolate. What? And coconut oil. The hair mask, it says heat activated mask. It has Moroccan clay and shea butter. So I'm excited to try that. There in the back here, I have my Tailored Beauty Golden Herbal collection that I really want to try out. Focus. I have the deep conditioner treatment and the curling cream, so I'm gonna try those out. In the back here also have my Pattern Beauty, which I've also already reviewed. I love the intensive conditioner, which is the big bottle I have, and I love the yellow bottle there, which is the leave-in conditioner, which I may repurchase if it goes on sale. And in front of that, I have the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream by none other than Miss Natural 85 on YouTube. I haven't used it often, but I do want to circle back to that, especially with this coming winter season. And then in the front here, I have the Mono's Hair Curl Collection. Again, I really like the styling potion, and in the back of that is the and in the front here is the curl smoothing pudding, which I really enjoyed. Behind there, I have the Camille Rose Natural, the original collection, which is the curl maker, the almond jai twisting butter, and the moisture milk. I have 2 moisture milks there. I'm going to revisit those items. Don't know how I really feel about them. The moisture milk is pretty moisturizing from what I can tell so far. And then I have Cantu, which honestly Cantu is where I started my natural hair journey with. I really love the leave-in conditioning repair cream and use it not only for a leave-in conditioner but for as a styler, and it just always works. And then later on they released the coconut curling cream, which works really good for braid outs and twist outs as well. And more recently they released the styling gels. I think they have 3, maybe 4 of them. It says maximum hold. I don't really know about that, but they work pretty good. I can do a review on that as well. And I just have the shampoo back there by Cantu as well, and it's okay. Now, oh, my arm's getting tired. Okay, so here we have the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask and the Daily Moisturizing Butter, I think it says, which is very, very, very moisturizing. I really love the hair mask. That is a staple, okay? And the Green Tea Leave-In Conditioner by TGIN I have been using as well. It works okay. But my favorite out of TGIN is definitely the hair mask in the back right there. And then lastly on the second shelf is the Alikay Naturals. I fell in love with their spray leave-in conditioner, not necessarily because of how it works, but how it smells. So I did pick up their new collection at the hair show, which is the lemongrass collection. I haven't opened it yet because I want to try every single thing in that bag there, and I'll do a review for you guys. Now on the original line is this this tub right here, which is the Moisture Rich Hair Parfait. Very, very moisturizing, smells delicious, love it so much. Now to the third aisle. Now this stuff is in no particular order, but I have my Shea Moisture products to the left here. So I've got the red palm oil and cocoa butter, which is the red containers here, and they work pretty good. One of my faves is here in the back by Shea Moisture, which is the Superfruit Complex. Smells amazing. I would say definitely one of the top 3 smells of all of my products here. I love the deep conditioner of that line. Another deep conditioner I love is from the Jamaican Black and Castor Oil collection, the yellowy one there at the bottom. And on top of that is the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner works amazing. And then on top of that, in the baby blue color, is the Manuka Honey and Repair Protein Treatment. It works as a really, really good protein treatment if your hair maybe has too much moisture and you're in need of some protein. That works very, very well. I think it's found at Ulta. And then to the right, one of my favorite deep conditioners is, I'm trying to get the lighting right there, the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. Have 2 of those. Well, I think it's 2. That might be a styler, but under that. But I have the shampoo and the conditioner there as well. Anything with honey in it, my hair really loves. So I really love this collection. I believe it's found at Target. And then in front of, the last Shea Moisture product I have is this orange one. It says the Biobab and Tea Tree Oil, low porosity, protein free leave-in detangler. I've heard really good things about it, and so far so good. I do want to do some more things with it, but a really good leave-in conditioner or detangler. Here I have the Curls brand, the Blueberry Bliss. Let's see what this is. That's the jelly and the leave-in conditioner and the hair mask. I'm sure there's other parts to this collection, but I do not have them. So I really like the hair mask, and I really enjoyed the jelly. I've used used that before, so that was pretty good. Getting tired, y'all. Next is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey collection, which I've tried this several times, and my results were just okay. Yeah, that's all I'll say about that. I may circle back to it. I don't want to waste any products, but it was okay. Which is weird because, like I said, my hair really loves honey. Next, I have the Onion Handmade, which I have a whole wash day routine on my channel. Go ahead and check that out. But I have the whipped pudding, which is perfect for winter season, and sealing it with the sugar. Let me turn this around. Sugar berries pomade. Smells so fruity and nice. Or for a more wintry smell, the burnt sugar pomade, the orange one right there. Really seals in any moisturizer that you have and really helps set the hair. It's like a solid oil. I've got the honey hemp conditioner in the back there, which is the big tube, and the hairdo moisturizer. This juices and berries is like a refresher spray. Smells freaking amazing. All right, moving along. Now, recently the Main Choice had 60% off on their website a few weeks ago, so I swear I had to just go all out, because these sets of these whole collections were, no lie, 60% off, free shipping, an amazing sale that the owner Courtney did. Thank God I was following their Instagram page to catch that sale. But I've been wanting to, because the Main Choice is not cheap. It is not cheap. Okay, so I've been wanting to try it, and I just know it's gonna work, and reviews are coming soon. But I have the Ancient Egyptian collection here. In the back, I have the exotic Kool-Aid collection. In the front here, still has the tape on it from shipping, but this is in the middle here is the doesn't get much better than this, and the Crystal Orchid Gel. Those two sitting on top there, I believe are from the original Main Choice collection. Towards the back, I have the Tropical Moringa collection, and it says sweet oil and honey. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try them. And then I have the gelato here, the Cheers gelato there, and I have the 4-way conditioner, the Proceed with Caution line there, and this is the gel in Edge Gel. So I'm gonna try those together to do a wash and go. All right, here I have the As I Am Double Butter Cream, Twist Defining Gel, and I think the Curling Jelly. As I Am is a great brand, great products. Those are oldies but goodies that I had to re-up on. Here, I have not tried these yet. I don't know where I got these, y'all. Have so much stuff. But this is the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk collection. Hopefully those work good. There's an oil in there, a curl repair leave-in. There's I think a foaming mousse in the back there. So I'm excited to try those. And there's a control glue. Cool. In front of that, I have some samples from Cream of Nature that I got from the hair show earlier this year, of their other collections, like their I don't want to make that up, but they have a lot of collections, and those are all the samples that I'm going to try. This is my Aztec Indian healing clay, which I have also reviewed on my channel. Go check it out. And to the right here, I have lots and lots of mielle organics, the pomegranate and honey line. They smell amazing. I don't know that they work amazing though. I just think with mielle, I haven't found the right combination of how to pair these products, but I definitely want to revisit them, and the packaging is outstanding. I really love the packaging on these, and I I did pick up the Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. I've heard really great things about this mielle product here, which I wish it was in a bigger container. And in the back there, I have some oldies but goodies that started my natural hair journey. The Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner, the regular conditioner, and that's a spray leave-in conditioner next to it as well. On this bottom shelf is kind of things that is a hodgepodge of different things that I don't use quite often or don't have equal scents to them. So I did try the Herbal Essences Blue Ginger and Micellar Water Shampoo and Conditioner. Oh, they smell amazing. They're so fresh. I also have back here the Giovanni Deep Moisture Conditioner, the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Conditioner. I found that at like Kroger or something like that. I have small samples of the Eden Body Works Papaya and Castor, I think it says. I don't know. I really like the serum there. Works really well. Elastic QP Olive Oil Mango Butter Moisturizer. I used to use that when I was transitioning, so I picked it back up because I really love it. Under that it says Dax Naturals Combing Cream. Never tried it. Next to that, I have oldies but goodies that worked during my transitioning to natural phase. The Moisture Milks shampoo and conditioner. Those smell amazing. You can pick those up at Dollar Tree. Just make sure that it says Moisture Milks on it. I also have the Wet Line Extreme Gel, which I've mentioned in a video before. I don't really care for this gel. I spent so much time looking all over for it because everyone was raving about it on YouTube because it's so affordable and it works. However, I found that it was pretty drying in my hair. It kind of sucked the moisture out that I was putting into my hair. My oldie but goodie in Old Faithful is the Eco Styler Gel, specifically the olive oil one. I haven't tried much other than that. And I've got some lot of body. What is this? Oh, setting lotion, the olive oil wrap mousse. This Tresemme Moisture Rich was really a staple for me when I was transitioning, and I still use it. I still get the big bottles, but it's the Moisture Rich Tresemme conditioner. In this corner here, I have some hair tools or accessories, like my blow dryer with the diffuser on it. This purple thing here is a bonnet dryer that you can attach to the hair blow dryer. I still have my Q redo, even though it does not work, and I'll have to replace it soon. But next to it is the clothes steamer from Amazon that I used instead, and that is also up on my channel already. I've got some wigs in the back that I don't typically use, so I just threw them down here. And yeah, this is a Tresemme. This is like if my hair was straight or something, I would use this little Tresemme heat serum there. And in this little Bath and Body bag is just some like jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil. So yeah, these are all of my goodies. So thank you guys again for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. You've been able to see the product junkie in me. But I'm not ashamed. I love trying this stuff. I love supporting these businesses, seeing what works for my hair, what doesn't, giving product suggestions to my queens out there. So again, thank you for watching. Make sure if you haven't already, you check out that subscribe button down below and tap the bell. See you next time. Bye, queens.